Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's Halloween video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cauldron. Now to start off with our cauldron, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and it's going to come up to here. And that's going to be towards the top. So we're going to start here, just draw a line that comes across and it's going to come up to here. Now, inside of here, we want to add a bunch of bubbles and stuff, so it looks like the cauldron is kind of like bubbling over. So when you do that, you're just going to make a bunch of little kind of like circle shapes that are going to be all over. That you don't want them to be all the same. They can be, some can be higher, some can be lower. So we're going to start by making some little circle shapes like this, and we're not drawing a full circle. I'm going to make some a little bit higher up and a little smaller. Some can be a little bit lower. And this will just make it look a little bit more realistic. Now, as I come up here, I want to add some more of those. So I'm just going to make a few more of these circle bumps. We want them to be different sizes. And they're just going to kind of be all over the place like this. Now, right here, we want to make a big line that's going to curve down and then it's going to come around here. So I'm going to start here. We're going to make a big line that's going to curve around and it's going to come up here. It's going to look kind of like a fishbowl. On each side of here, we're going to make the little handle. So just draw a little line that curves out and then comes back. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go out and then come down here. And I like to add a little curved line towards the top. Now right here we can put some eyes on it just to make it a little bit more fun. To do this, let's draw a circle here. And then I'll leave some space and we'll draw another circle right over here. I'm going to put two little circles inside of here. Do the same thing on this one and then just color them in real quick. Then right across here, we're going to make a straight line. And then a line that goes down and up with a little curved line like this. And then we'll just color this in as well for the mouth. Then you could always add some, little lines going down if you want to make it evil or you just make it kind of happy like this. One of the things I want to do though is I want to add some bubbles up here. We're just going to keep it simple. Let's just make a circle right here. I'm going to draw another circle up here, and then underneath here I'm going to put a little bit of a smaller circle. And then on a few of these you can just kind of curl around and almost finish off the circle, but not quite, just to make it a little bit more circular. Just kind of shows some more bubbles in there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon cauldron. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.